Did you know this? A security solution designed specifically for schools is about to transform how safety is managed on campuses worldwide. Stay tuned to discover the key to a safer, smarter school environment. Campus safety starts with full coverage. ACTi's 20MP multi-imager camera delivers 360-degree panoramic views, ensuring no blind spots across your school. Each of the 45MP channels is independently adjustable for pan, tilt, and zoom, providing tailored surveillance for entrances, large classrooms, or sports fields. And with just one IP supporting all channels, your school saves significantly on wiring costs while enhancing security. Even after the sun sets, your campus remains under watchful eyes. This camera's 9 infrared LEDs provide up to 50 meters of night vision, capturing clear, full-color images even in near-total darkness. Whether monitoring playgrounds, dormitories, or perimeters, your school is secure around the clock. Smart security meets school safety with ACTi's built-in AI. Detect and analyze activities like student movement, unauthorized entries, and area intrusions with precision. Generate detailed reports, count foot traffic, and monitor crowd density to ensure a safe, organized campus. With reduced false alarms and faster decision-making, managing school safety has never been easier. When suspicious activity occurs, active deterrence springs into action. By integrating with AI-triggered events, the camera can activate external strobe lights to ward off threats. It's a powerful visual deterrent that protects your campus during the most vulnerable hours, ensuring peace of mind for students, staff, and parents. School environments demand robust solutions, and ACTi's camera delivers. With IP67 and IK10 ratings, it withstands harsh weather and impact. Its audio input-output and dual DI/DO support make it adaptable for diverse applications like monitoring dorms, managing classrooms, or securing outdoor spaces. Why should schools choose ACTi? Save 30% to 50% in costs compared to Axis while achieving the same high-level performance. Ensure comprehensive campus coverage with advanced AI capabilities that enhance safety and efficiency. Durable, versatile, and built for educational environments, our cameras deliver reliable security for every corner of your school. ACTi is not just a camera, it's your partner in creating a safer learning environment. Transform your school's safety standards today. Visit our website to explore how ACTi's innovative surveillance solutions can protect your students, staff, and facilities. Don't wait, take the first step towards a smarter, safer campus now.